Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your out of office at monday.com. This is super easy to do, but I'm going to show you even how to set for a specific date. So what you want to do, just simply click your account on the upper right hand side. Now, if you look towards the bottom, you'll find these options that basically says work status. Let me get back there. Work status or working status, right? If you look to the right, you have more and you have a bunch of options. Now, if you set it to out of office from here, it's gonna just set it to out of office, but with no option to change the date. And so that does not work the best way if you want to set your out of office for a specific date, right? And not immediately. So I'm gonna clear status here. Now to change your out of office for a specific date, you want to click your account on the upper right and go into your profile. Now on the left hand side, click on working status. Here you have out of office, you want to click on it. And here you have the option choose dates. So click in this and you can choose it. So let's say I want to say from the 25th to the 1st. And that's it. I now set my out of office with the specific dates. Here it says disable email and mobile notification while I'm out of office. You can do that if you so desire. It's really up to you. But that's generally it, guys. If you're looking to set out of office for a specific date, this is how you do it at monday.com. Very easy and very simple.